Ever found yourself browsing Amazon, that perfect item just a click away, but payday still feels like a distant dream? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at our screens, wishing for a little financial flexibility. And that brings us to the question many of you have been asking: can you use Beforepay on Amazon? Before we dive into that, let's quickly recap what Beforepay actually is. For those unfamiliar, Beforepay is a service that offers short-term cash advances, allowing you to access a portion of your upcoming salary before your actual payday arrives. It's designed to help bridge those gaps between paychecks, offering a way to cover unexpected expenses or make those essential purchases without resorting to potentially high-interest payday loans. Think of it as a financial helping hand, giving you a bit more control over your cash flow. Now, back to the big question: Amazon. It's the giant of online retail, a place where you can find just about anything you need or want. Naturally, the idea of using a service like Beforepay on such a vast platform is appealing. Imagine spotting a limited-time deal or needing a crucial household item urgently and being able to utilize your future earnings to make that purchase. It sounds convenient, right? However, here's where things get a little less straightforward. Currently, Beforepay operates by directly depositing funds into your linked bank account. When it's time for repayment, they debit that same account. This system works seamlessly for direct transactions and bill payments where you can specify your bank details. Amazon, on the other hand, primarily accepts payments through more traditional methods. These include credit and debit cards, Amazon gift cards, and in some regions, direct bank transfers or other localized payment options. The integration of a service like Beforepay, which essentially provides you with cash in your bank account, isn't a direct payment method that Amazon currently supports at the checkout. So, while you can't directly select Beforepay as a payment option when you're making a purchase on Amazon, there's a potential workaround. Since Beforepay deposits funds directly into your bank account, if you have a debit card linked to that account, you could, in theory, use that debit card to make your Amazon purchase. The funds you received from Beforepay would then cover the transaction in your bank account. It's important to note that this isn't a direct integration or partnership between Amazon and Beforepay. You're essentially using the cash advance from Beforepay to fund your existing payment methods accepted by Amazon. This means you'll still go through the standard Amazon checkout process and use your linked debit card as usual. Therefore, the answer to whether you can use Beforepay on Amazon is a bit nuanced. You can't directly choose it as a payment method at checkout. However, if you've received a cash advance from Beforepay into your bank account and you have a debit card linked to that account, you can use that debit card to make purchases on Amazon. The funds from Beforepay would then be the source of those funds in your bank account. Keep in mind that using such services requires responsible financial management. Always ensure you understand the terms and repayment schedules associated with Beforepay to avoid any potential fees or financial strain. It's about utilizing these tools wisely to manage your cash flow effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.